Hello and welcome back to BrimeTech. In this unboxing and video test, we'll give you a quick review of the Acer Predator Helios that comes with the RTX 3060, but the most powerful one, which has 140 watts. Stay with us. Let's do the unboxing for the Acer Predator that comes with the RTX 3060 140 watts. So that is the laptop itself. Let's take it aside. And has a power supply of 280 watts. It feels really premium just unboxing this laptop. So that is, it says Predator, if you can see it from the camera. I'll just open that box. It just raises a bit when you open it. It lies within. That is really a good title to start. This one has the Core i7-12700H with 14 cores, 6 performance cores and 8 efficiency cores. The TDP is 45 watts and has the RTX 3060 that has 140 watts, which is the most powerful 3060 out there. It also features a 16 GB dual channel DDR5 memory at 4800 MHz. The display is 1080p 165 Hz with 3 milliseconds. It is IPS and has an sRGB of 100%. So from the right hand side it has two USB 3.2 Gen 2. One of them work as a charging port as well. At the left hand side we have the audio jack, USB 3.2 Gen 1 and an RJ45. So we have a key lock. Back we have the DC-in charging port, an HDMI 2.1, a Thunderbolt 4 and a mini display port 1.4. For the build quality, it is really premium. It is metal. Only the screen from the front is plastic, but everything else is metal. All wrapped up is very excellent. The hinges are very fine. They are very great. The screen wobbling is acceptable. If you just lift the hinge, it won't wobble for that much.
In the comparisons, we selected a group of competitors with the same price range. All of them the RTX 3070 at 100 watts, to see the differences in programs, games and temperature. What is impressive though is that power doesn't translate into topping out on thermals. We're looking at a maximum CPU temperatures of 85 degrees and max GPU temps of less than 80. That's not at all bad compared to the other laptops in the same price range, and you can always slap the turbo button on the top left of the keyboard if you feel it's getting a bit too hot. It'll suddenly wear up to somewhere between 68 to 75 decibels. But lay your hands at the bottom of the chassis for a minute and you'll feel it cool off. It's great for that panic moment when you realize you've been covering the exhausts and need to rectify the heat that's accumulated.
The main three advantages is its competitive pricing, the sharp looking chassis and the really excellent packaging. The RTX 3060 is just as sharp as you think it is. In gaming it is really excellent. I think for its price it is a bargain. But the letdowns are that the laptop's battery is a little bit weak. And if you are looking for a ray tracing card, that is not for you. The RTX 3070 is much better in ray tracing. And with that, we come to the end of our testing of the Acer Predator Helios. Thanks indeed for watching, and we hope that you find this content really useful. If you found it really useful, just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks indeed.